short demonstration of the possibilities of the Layermanager. Layermanager is a module that is running inside the Horus movie player and can be activated with a license key. On the left side of the movie player we see the map where the travel path of the recording is being displayed. At the right side the imagery is displayed. Several background maps can be loaded, for example being aerial maps. You can zoom in on a map by scrolling with your mouse wheel, and if you have the focus on the imagery, then the scroll wheel will be used for zooming in on the image. We can open a lot of standard GIS data files or databases. In this case, we are going to select the Point of Interest database and connect with it. This database will now be added as a layer here within the Layermanager. Just like with GIS, you can select its visibility. Double-click to see the table or change some properties like the symbology. In this case we are dealing with bicycle parkings, so we will select a nice icon which is more visible than only a single dot on the map. As with GIS, you can also select some attribute values to display. So in this case we have some locations of bicycle parkings. It appears that this dataset is not that accurate. When viewing its properties and looking at the image, this spot was meant to be described in the dataset. So in this case, we will show you how to edit this dataset and add a new record, enter some attribute information and save this new record. This is how to edit based on an existing dataset. But you can also enter lines, polygons, multi-lines, turn on labeling to automatically calculate its length. Very handy in cases of inspection or inventory. Easily retrieve the size of objects and label it to be repaired. Change the symbology and the colors to display assets in a certain color. In the previous examples we have shown objects that are on a flat surface. But there is another way to store geometries with 3D coordinates. In this case, we will demonstrate how to capture exactly the coordinates of, for example, this sign. We will start with the multi-click functionality and define and select an object with 4 points, measuring the object from 3 different frames. Once we're done, we can calculate its geometry. So each corner has to be selected from separate photos from another angle. And in the end, with triangulation, it will be displayed. As you can see, it is displayed as an XYZ polygon in the image, and it will be stored in your dataset as well. As with GIS, you can edit attribute data and add your information to it, so it is a fast way for even non-GIS specialists to enter data.